The simplest thing was going through the project, finding out what was important based on the execution strategy of the project. Well, there were two ideas. One was really the performance rewards and recognition, which was how we were going to drive the behaviors and actually how we were going to take the recognition program and reward employees. So our idea was that if we consequated the positive behaviors and we understood from behavioral scientists that this is actually sustainable, then we're going to make a huge improvement on the industry just based on the number of work craft that we were actually going to have on our project with upwards of 8, 9, 10,000 employees. The second was actually how we were going to communicate that process to make it effective so that employees with a site as large and 10 different areas and kind of 10 people doing their own things, how we were going to generate consistency with those areas. There's probably 3 things that we use this platform for. The first would be to really bring awareness to our employees. The second is really to educate our employees. And the third is to effectively provide information that is readily available to the current activities on the site to the employees. The first thing I would say to anybody that would be somewhat interested in a program like this is not to be monetary focused early on, and understand what you want as an organization. So if for example, if your desire is that you have 100% participation in auditing, then you should figure out how you're going to build that into your program so that you achieve that, and then worry about the dollars or the monetary value of your program once you understand what your metrics are. Those metrics for us varied from auditing to participation in observation programs and people-based safety programs. So we looked at 5 separate areas when we put our programs together to develop metrics that were consistent with our vision for success out on the project.